Welcome back. Indian scientists are now on a mission to look at the sun from a different point. After successful Mars orbit mission, their next research will be based on sun. Professor Udupi Ramchandra Rao informed this to Prudent. He said country is developing astronomical satellite for a research on the sun.
There are already another astrosat is astronomy satellite, and we're talking of looking at the sun, separate completely on the sun, and it will be at a different point. So there are many things like this because we have to, on the one important science, second thing is we have to develop it. These are all require tremendously great, wonderful technologies.
CSIR, National Institute of Oceanography, organized this Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research program at Donapal on Monday. It is a program launched by Government of India under its mission to strengthen national science and technology base. Professor Rao also spoke on the Mars mission.
We have a successful Mars program. The scientific instruments are being calibrated now, and then we will start making measurements. See, on the 19th of just a few days ago, the comet went by. We have photographed the comet from our Mars. But comet passes so fast, so within 2 hours it was away. And of course, we have to make sure that our own bombs doesn't get affected because comet gives lot methane and water.
26 higher secondary schools participated in the 5 days camp. Students will be guided and trained by various scientists and the professors. Reporter Mahesh Gade with Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Margao chairperson Gonzague Rebello claims the council members in opposition incompetent. 12 councillors have moved no confidence motion against the Margao chairperson and vice chairperson. Councillors claim chairperson to be incompetent. Rebello questioned the opposition, saying it's just 5 months he has taken over the reins. He claims credit for door-to-door garbage collection system.
हांव डीएमए को मागता ड्यूटी मिनिस्टर को मागता हेश कोन जाबा चेंज करो म्हळ्यार हें सारकें न्ही कित्याक काम करूंक जायना हितू फास्ट आनी हे परत हे एलिगेशन काम कोनाय म्हूण काम कोतले कितें कोण चेअरपर्सन जरी तर आसा तर नालायक तर आमकां कावन्सिलर मेळ्ळे हें कामां जावपाना हालीं ते बॉडीच मारूं वतले
म्युनिसिपालिटी कसलो एफर्ट करता आसतना म्युनिसिपालिटी पयशांचें प्रोविजन जावचें पडटा सो आमी अशें एफर्ट डिसिजन घेतला जे 12 जाण कावन्सिलर एकठांय जालो अशें डिसिजन घेतला बारावन बसतले की म्युनिसिपालिटीच्यान कशी चलोवप आतां चवथी गोश्ट इम्पॉर्टंट सांगता सो आमच्या ग्रुपाच्यो जे आमचो कोण चेअरपर्सन जातलो आमचें मुख्य ध्येय आसतलें की म्युनिसिपालिटीचें कोणूय जाता चीफ ऑफिसर त्या चीफ ऑफिसराक कॉन्फिडन्स कशें म्युनिसिपालिटीचें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सारकें चलोवप लोकांचे मदीं आतां अशें कितें जालां लोकांचे मदीं अशी इंडिपेंडंट जालें की कावन्सिलर म्हणल्यार कांयच न्ही कावन्सिलर म्हळ्यार कांयच न्ही पूण इंटरनली लोकांक कांय खबर ना म्युनिसिपालिटीची सत्य परिस्थिती भितरली कांय लोकांक खबर ना
आनी जे टायमार साकून तो बसला तेन्ना साकून जो गार्बेजीचो इश्यू आहा तेजेरूच चड पेस घेवन बसलेले आसा आमी सगळे आनी सगळे कॉपरेट करताले आनी लोकांनूय अशें हें केल्लें आसा लोकांचे ग्रेवेन्सीस आमी खूब आयकोन घेतले आमी आमची कितें डिफिकल्टी लोकां कडेन पावल्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन पावयल्या आनी ते आमचे वर्करांची सुद्दां कितें डिफिकल्टी आसा ते गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन पावोन गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन तेंचे पेमेंटा बद्दल रिक्वेस्ट करप सगळें तितूनूच आसा आमी सांगपाक म्हणल्यार आनी हें अशें कित्याक सायनी मारून दिल्यो त्यो म्हाका कांयच आयडिया ना.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.